What's up, guys? This is your boy Pastor Crypto checking in with my final video on HyperDragons GO on the Ontology Blockchain. This basically was a 7 videos or 7 vlogs cataloging how much I make in 7 videos. But before I get started, I really would like it and appreciate it if you guys tap that subscription tab and tap that notification bell. That way you guys will be the first ones to see my videos when I drop them. So let's go to the arena. I'm not going to show you everything, but my last 2 matches I pretty much sucked, man. I'm just put that out there right now. Actually, I sucked this whole video log. So go to female dragon contest. Excuse me. As you can see, I'm not even in the top 3. I basically lost in the first round. This contest, I wasn't present. I just picked my dragon and pick my moves. So it is what it is. I missed a lot of tournaments. If you guys go back and watch my videos, you can go to my YouTube channel and my playlist is Ontology, and I got all my videos up under there. So I got my butt kicked in this one. One thing I noticed that this dragon trainer has trained this dragon up to level 30. So shouts out to this dragon trainer. My dragon, as you can see, is only at level 28 up to this point. It was no need for me to basically train my dragons up higher because I was doing pretty well at the level I was at. So I sucked. I really did. Also, this is my 3rd time making this video. The program that I used to record, it crashed on me. So if I missed something, I apologize. Actually, you guys, one of my videos that I was recording, I already withdrew my total, so you guys didn't see that. I apologize for it, but if you watch my last video, you will see how much I had in there, which was around 257.99 ONG, something like that. So that's how much I earned. Excuse me. But before I calculate it, we got to talk about something real quick, which is a risk adjusted return. Basically just saying that to get a true rate of return, you have to subtract what you risk to get that amount, which is your total. So what I risk, if you watch my last video, not even my last video, it's the video called Blockchain Video Games Best Crypto Game Episode 3. You will see that I risk 57.6 on G. And basically on this video, I was showing you guys how to level up. On the leaderboard, and how people are using the leaderboard to earn a lot of ONG by having a prestige up high when the prize pool reset. So in that video I was showing you that, and the cost of that was 57.6. So basically I subtracted that from this total and I got 200 ONG. 200 ONG is $25. So that's what I made for the week, $25. It's on the low end, but it's still $25 in 1 week. Playing a video game 30 minutes a day. Checking in probably about 3 times a day or 2 times a day, depending on what tournaments that it is that day. And I also look at the market, check prices, and see how much dragons are in the crystals and honor market, just to keep tabs on what's going on in the game. Let's compare HyperDragons GO to the highest percentage staking coin. If you go to stakingrewards.com and you just check out their site, you will see that the coin at the top as far as rewards on this site is, for staking coins that is SNX, which is reward is 112%. The adjusted reward is 61.69%. So it pays out a lot. And you just compare HyperDragons GO return to this return, you will see that let's just say you're going to spend around $800. So if you spend $800 on SNX, which is $881, if you bought 1,000 coins, right now it'd be $881. Your monthly return, excuse me, will be $82. So basically, we divide that by 4. That's roughly a little over $20 per week. So if you compare HyperDragons GO, my return versus this staking coin, which is one of the top ones that Staking Rewards talks about. My $25, which was my worst week in a very long time, still tops one of the top staking coins based on stakingrewards.com info. All right, let's compare HyperDragons GO to the masternode space. Okay, Zcoin is the second highest ranked masternode coin. Yep, it's right below Dash. The price per coin is $5 to get a masternode. It costs, we'll get to the weekly total in a second. It costs 1,000 coins, which you have to pay $5,000, and you earn $13.48 a week, which ain't bad. I mean, passive income is passive income. But my worst week, again, I still earned $25, and I really suck, you guys. I'm not joking about that when I say that at all. Like, this is one of the worst weeks I've had in a long time. There's a lot of factors that's included into that, but majority of it is me just being not punctual and missing tournaments. So again, before I get sidetracked, the second rated coin on masternodes.online, on my worst week, I still outperformed it playing HyperDragons GO on the Ontology Blockchain. So this is my wallet balance right now. I drew that 257 on there. But yeah, I just want to put that out there, you guys. Just thought that people needed to see this vlog so you can see that this game plays out a lot, man. I mean, it doesn't have a great referral system. I don't think it has a referral system at all. If it does, you guys can basically correct me on that in the comments, if you would. Other than that, please hit that thumbs up button. It does help with the YouTube algorithm. The more people that engage with this, which basically means if you give me a thumbs up or if you leave comments, YouTube algorithm will push this video out to more people, which helps my channel and it helps put this information out. So with that being said, I think I covered everything I wanted to cover, and I will see you in my next video. Peace. I'm out.